Alma Mater's our pride, Alma Mater's our glory. We all think it's the most wonderful story. We love our Alma Mater, we respect our Alma Mater. Alma Mater has always taught us all we need to know. Alma Mater School, Alma Mater School, Alma Mater School, Alma Mater School. So let's do our best together to build a learning community. Let's do our parts together to bring joy and cheer to all. Let's build a sense of humor that brings a smile to all. Even in the toughest time, we learn to smile and frown. Alma Mater School, Alma Mater School, Alma Mater School, Alma Mater School.
The students of grade 3, grade 4, grade 5 and E1 have worked very hard to put together a wonderful play just for you. It is called Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. We are all excited to know what is going to happen, so hold on to your hearts to see what is going to come next. Charlie's family is very poor and they are waiting for a miracle to save them. One day, Charlie comes and he is super excited because he has found the last golden ticket to Willy Wonka's factory. So put your hands together for grade 3, 4, 5 and E1.
Right then? That's right, Grandpa Joe. Maybe you should complete Charlie. Can you handle it? Handle it? You just tried to stop me.
I can't stop eating sweets.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory, where history is about to be made. You are all going to meet the chocolate genius of our century, and here he is now, Mr. Willy Wonka. Welcome, my friends to my factory. Augustus, will you please step forward? Chicken, Mr. Willy Wonka. Achoo! Bless you, he has a cold.
My name is Furka Sol, and here's your filling ticket.
I always thought Furka was a god, but you don't recover more than one or perhaps a bunny.
Hey there, Wonka, Sol's the name, and I'm nuts. Nuts. And homes like this must go through a million nuts.
Make the table here on. The ticket, please.
This is your silly ticket. Can you give me back after the tour?
Of course, my dear, of course. Holy Bogart.
I hear ya. Here's your ticket.
Police, there is no country allowed on the tour.
What you mean, come?
Wallet, Mr. Wonka asked you to move your gum. Do we need to negotiate?
Psychobabble, whatever.
Eyes on the prize, Wallet. Eyes on the prize. My TV guest.
Hold your horses, ma'am. I am about to beat this level. Here's your ticket, Mr.
Scriptures. Oh, and might just move wire for None was a ha-ha, chalk bucket.
Hey, it's Charlie Bucket. Here's your book.
All coincidence with Charlie Bucket and the finding this ticket just in time.
Hey, if you're seeing the title, it is a phone.
And this will be Hey, Why? Then let's proceed.
Oh, wait, Mr. Wonka, I want to take a good photo.
Alright, get it on.
Okay, now say cheese. And now it's done.
Now let's start with the contract.